Is your nonprofit struggling due to lack of money or funding or resources you need to sustain your organization? Ask yourself this question. Is my organization grant ready? I receive calls on almost on a weekly basis, whether it's a call or a DM in Instagram or Facebook or a text, somebody saying, hey, help me with a grant. I need some grant funding. Most nonprofits are not grant ready. Most nonprofits, especially small nonprofits, are starting off using the founder's money and the board of directors' money and just very few fundraisers to get by. But can you imagine what it would be like to get your first grant? Well, I can tell you, I've had plenty of clients, people I've mentored or trained that said that when they got that first $1 million or first six-figure grant or first $10,000 grant, what a weight that lifted off their shoulders, and they got the confidence that they can get more funding. Hi, I'm Aretha Simons, the founder of grantwritingschool.com, and I'm inviting you to my 5-day grant writing success challenge. Here's some things I'm going to teach you. On day one, I'm going to teach you how to write your program ideas. I know you probably have multiple programs, but we're going to focus on one program idea and get it solid. Have you ever had a funder, someone you don't even know, a total stranger, read your grant proposal? Well, that's what's going to happen when you send that grant proposal in. And they've got to read it as if they know you. They've got to see those words as if they can feel what your community is going through. On day two, I'm going to challenge you to write down your program budget for that program because you need money, right? Yeah, I thought so. So we're going to focus on having you write line items for everything you need. You can't just simply tell them you need $250,000 when they don't understand what that $250,000 investment is going to go for. Believe it or not, your program budget gives the donor an idea of how you're going to use their investment. On day three, we're going to discover where to find these grants. Where are these grants that people are always talking about, right? You heard about there's a grant for this and there's a grant for that, but where's the money? We're going to go through databases and show you how to find grants that match with your mission and make sure you are a match for that funder. Day four, we're going to bring it all together and I'm going to challenge you to finish with a one-page grant proposal. Now you're going to get downloads. I'm going to help you through this. I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to give you downloadable forms and things to fill out. We're going to walk through those things. It's going to be really a course with coaching as a bonus. And day five, we're going to talk about other funding sources. That's going to be the secret sauce right there. Because see, there's other ways to find grants without writing a grant proposal. Oh, did I say that? Wait a minute. This is the 5-day grant writing success challenge. You still have to write. So let's put the work in. Don't wait. Sign up now. Go to grantwritingschool.com or grantwritingschool.org. There's a 10 a.m. session and a 6 p.m. session. So you can choose one or the other. If you miss a day, it's going to be recorded. So don't worry about it. If you have to leave early, it's going to be recorded and you'll be sent the recording after each session. So can you see why it's important for you to be grant ready? Are you ready to do this? Let's go.